Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a realistic fire in After Effects. In this tutorial I use Trapcode Particular plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first create a new composition, press OK, go to layer, new solid, and I'll call it particular. Then press OK, go to effect, Trapcode Particular, and here we go. Now I'll go to designer, presets, and single system presets. Go to smoke and fire and open. Now we have 26 items here. You can choose any one. This one or this one. Okay, I'll choose this one and apply. Okay, now we have a realistic fire here, and also we have fire loop. Okay, I'll go to this one, particle, and I'll go to emitter and change position down like this, and also emitter size X, I'll increase it like this. Okay, and I'll change particles per second, maybe around 100, and I'll go to particles and I'll go to particle and change size to 90. Okay, also aspect ratio, change it to 2. And this is our fire. Okay, I have another way I can use fire loop. So now I'll close particular and I'll open fire loop. Okay, I'll go to fire loop and press P and change position like this. Okay, and Control Z to copy, change normal to screen. Okay, press P, position like that, change position. Also I can Control D, copy it again, and press P and change position like this. I think it's very cool and realistic fire. Okay, now I'll go to last one and shift and first one and Control D to copy off and move this like that, and make sure that you are in the 4 seconds like that. And we have a realistic fire. Okay, this is my tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.